Alright, guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime we release a new video, you will get updated. Alright, so today I'm coming your way with a very simple and short video. Alright, so most often a lot of people ask, can I make money online? Can I make money online here in Ghana? Charlie, it is real. You can make money online here in Ghana. There are a lot of ways you can make money here in Ghana. I've been talking about blogging. But today I have something cool and easy for you. You can do it anywhere, wherever you are. You can get paid through mobile money. You don't need any PayPal or any difficulty to get paid. You can be paid through your mobile money. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Remember, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so that you can get updated anytime we upload a new video. So today I'm going to be taking you to Jumia affiliate. You all know Jumia already, the biggest online buying and sell platform in Ghana currently. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to take you through how you'll be promoting their product and be paid commission anytime someone purchases an item you are promoting, and it is called Jumia affiliate. It's actually a program that they are running. You can join the program, promote their product, and get paid straight into your more money at the end of every month. Without talking much, let's get into it. Let's head over to the browser. All right, so just search Jumia. Just search Jumia affiliate. All right, so it's here, Jumia affiliate program. Click on Jumia affiliate. There you go. Get started. All right, daily report, conversions. So this is actually my account. I already have the account, Jumia affiliate. All right, the account is easy to create. You can get one for yourself. Just sign up and you are done. So once you get your account, all you do is to come to the advertising tab here, click on it. So as you can see, a link can be generated for you that you will use to promote their product. You can get a banner generated for you, especially if you are a blogger like me. You can get nice banners and put onto your blog. When people click through them to go and buy anything, you'll be paid for it. You can be giving links. You'll be sharing. You'll be sharing the links and be getting paid anytime somebody follows your link to make any purchase from the store. Once they follow the link, any purchase at all they made from the store, you will be paid. Let's look at the payment section. Now let's look at the payment information so that you know that this is not a scam. This is not a PayPal or plenty this that. Let's look at the payment methods that they have. I told you they'll pay you through your more money at the end of every month. This is real, Charlie. So as you can see, my payment option, it is here big like that. More money transfer is here big like that. More money transfer. This is my Momo number and this is my account. So as you can see, the number and the account, that's it. Mensa carriage 055. So my MTN number, and I'll be paid at the end of every month once I get some money in my account by promoting their products. So as you can see, it is real. It's not fake. Let's look at the advertisement platform as I was showing to you. If you have a website like me, you can just click on the banner generator. You select your country, the particular country you want to promote. So I'm in Ghana, so let me just say Ghana. So as you can see, the banners, all these things are Jumia products. You can promote any of them that you want, as you can see. So for instance, if I want to promote this laptop, I'll just click on the laptop. I'll take the size that I want. So this is a link here. All you have to do is to copy the link and be sharing it on social media platforms. Once somebody follows the link to go and buy an item from the store, it doesn't matter. The person can follow the link, land in the store, and might not buy this laptop. But once the person follow your link to the store to buy something else, you'll be paid commission. It's the very short tutorials I'm giving to you. It's not common out there. Alright, so as I said, you can copy this link and be sharing on social media as it is here. You copy it and share it on social media. If you're a blogger like me, this an HTML code, you copy it and paste it into your header tags of your website, and the ads will be showing, and you will get paid at the end of the month monthly. So as you can see, that's it. It is simple and short. You don't have to go through any school, you don't have to learn any codes. Simple and short. Just copy the links just like the way I'll be copying WhatsApp links and share, and you'll be paid at the end of every month. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, so that anytime I bring good videos like this, you will get it. Remember, we didn't waste your time, we gave you value for money.